Now, if you're a fan of the Mifo 05 and 05 Plus series, you're going to want to watch this video. This is EBPMAN Tech Reviews, and today we're going to take a look at the Mifo 07s. Let's check them out.
I can feel the heat is rising and that beat is hip.
Now, just a few days ago, we did a review of the Mifo 05 Plus True Wireless Earbuds. They're affordably priced, they have great sound, and they have 100 hours of battery life. And you heard that right, 100 hours, pretty incredible. And today we're going to take a look at their next version. So this is the TouchKey True Wireless Earbuds, and this is the Mifo 07. So in this video, we're going to do a EBPMAN style call quality test. We're going to talk about the audio features. We're going to take a look at all the characteristics of their earbuds and much more. So let's get right to it.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Now, before doing the unboxing, we'll check out some of the specs so you can see why you may want to consider these. So as we take a look at this, you're looking at the TouchKey True Wireless Earbuds, and these are the Mifo 07. You'll notice that it uses a Qualcomm chipset, which is great. Dual balance armature speakers, which is really good as well. And then this is the part that I'm really interested in. It has phone call communication noise canceling. So we're going to do an EBPMAN style call quality test to see how well they do in a noisy environment. They use TouchKey technology, which means that the actual controls, the way you tap, has changed. And I know some of you have mentioned that you were a little dissatisfied with the 05 and the 05 Plus because they were physical and they were a little bit hard to press. So we'll see if that's been improved. We also have Bluetooth version 5.0. The earbuds have a IP rating of IP67, and then also the power consumption is pretty on par as the previous version, so 6 to 7 hours. You have a charging case that can provide an additional 25 hours of playback power and can charge it 3 times. And it has a standby time that can reach 60 days. So let's check and see what's in the box. Now, inside the box, you're going to find 4 sets of earbud tips. Now, these earbud tips are great because you can actually alternate them or switch them. So you can use a smaller or a larger one in one ear and another size in the other, especially if you find yourself in a situation where one of the earbuds always falls out. So make sure that you swap them. You don't have to have medium, medium, large, large, or small, small. Just remember that. Now, you also have here a travel case, and the case is aluminum, and you can see it's significantly smaller. And then you also have a USB-C cable. So you heard that right. So with this version, the cable has been upgraded in the actual case itself to USB-C versus the 05, which is using micro USB. Now, as we take a look at the case for the 07s, the first thing that you'll notice is that it's significantly smaller than the 05s. And just for a frame of reference, let's put them side by side so you can see this. So you can notice here are the 05 and these are the 05 Plus, and as you compare them to the 07, significantly smaller. We'll put them next to each other so you can see it like this too. Right? And as I put them this way, you notice that they're smaller in every single way. Now, not only are they smaller, but they also now support USB-C, which is great. I really love that they're moving to more of a modern cable solution. And then everything else seems to be the same. It does not support wireless charging, but it has a great battery, and it's going to extend the battery life for your True Wireless earbuds a significant amount of time. Now, as you open them, we'll open them up like this. It has the same hinge mechanism as we saw with the 05 and 05 Plus. They are magnetic, so as they're holding the earbuds are not going to come out, so you can see that. They guide really well, so as I put them in, they lock into place really nicely, right? And then you do see in by the fuel gauge, so you notice that there's a fuel gauge there, but you have a right and left indicator. And you'll notice as soon as you put the actual earbuds inside the case, they start charging. You can see the kind of like the little breathing that's taking place. If I were to close it, you'll notice it has the same satisfying click. We'll go ahead and flip this. Locks into place nicely, and that's not going to open. It has a little area here that you can put your nail in if you need to just open it up, and it opens up just as easy. So again, we'll go back and clock it, and it locks into place really nicely. That's all there is to the case, so let's check out the earbuds now. Now, the Mifo 07 True Wireless earbuds are small, very tiny, and as you can see here, they're in-ear models. So they basically go into your ear canal. They have these gels. You'll notice that you have the right indicator here, contact points for charging in the bottom. You have your mics, and then also what they've done is they've changed the way that you use the controls. So the previous models were physical controls that you had to press. And some of you complained that as you pressed, you'd feel pressure in your ear. These are now tap-based, so you single tap, double tap, or triple tap. Now, as I put them in my ear, you're going to see these feel great, and they look much smaller than the previous versions, the 05s and the 05 Plus. I'll turn this way and this way so you can see that. We're going to do a shake test. And you can see these don't come out. Really well suited especially if you're going to be in the gym because of the IP67 rating. The other thing is that you could use these independently. Don't forget that. So you can use this one for 6 to 7 hours, this one for 6 to 7 hours, and that's going to give you an incredible, I would say, battery life when it comes to just using these in whatever setting that you're in. So next, let's check out the audio features. Now, as we consider the audio quality for the Mifo 07s, they do really well. So bass, mids, and highs are all present. Bass is there, so you do get some thumping, but not incredible thumping. The mids and the highs are also present, but neither of them compete with each other or overpower the other. It's a very immersive experience, so I'm able to listen to audio tracks and feel like I'm in the moment, especially because of the passive noise canceling. And everything is clear, so you have crystal clear highs, and again, the mids and the bass is present, and it really works well all together. Now, again, the key here is going to be that you have the right earpieces so that you have that great passive noise canceling to have the most immersive experience that you'd like. Next, we're going to do a call quality test in a quiet environment of the Mifo 07 True Wireless Earbuds. We're going to switch to the 07 so you can hear what the sound quality would be like when making a phone call. Now, this is what the call quality would sound like when making a phone call on the Mifo 07 True Wireless Earbuds. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is a test. Let me know what you think about the call quality in the comment area below. Now next we're doing a call quality test in a noisy environment, simulating 360 sound all the way around us. It's a coffee shop, office type environment, and we're still wearing the Mifo True Wireless Earbuds. As you can see here, the noise levels are anywhere from 50 all the way up to 78 decibels, and we're going to switch. This is what the call quality would sound like when making a phone call on the Mifo 07 True Wireless Earbuds. Let me know what you think about the call quality in the comment area below. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is a test. So guys, that wraps up our review of the Mifo 07 True Wireless Earbuds. How do they compare to the Mifo 05? What do you think about the call quality? What do you think about the features? And what do you think about the travel case size? Let me know in the comment area below.